My dad's Bonder Ford Sports Hybrid had an error message to change the keyless remote battery for key fob. He needed a CR2032 3-volt battery. The first thing to do is remove the key from the fob by pushing the black button. Use the key to open the fob by twisting it in between the two edges as shown here. Now remove the old battery and replace it with the new one. Put this remote back together and it should be done now. Turn off the car, turn it back on, and everything should work. This trick should work on other Honda models as well. Thank you for watching, hope this was useful to you.